Finishing a rehab program is a huge accomplishment. You've put in the hard work to get sober, and now it's time to start rebuilding your life. But now, you may be wondering what life will be like after addiction treatment. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, people experience common hardships after completing a drug or alcohol rehab program. After rehab, you'll go back to your family, work, hobbies, and friends, all of which are potential triggers. You'll also experience triggers like stressful events, people, places, and things associated with your addiction, boredom or free time, negative emotions such as anger, sadness, or anxiety, and cravings for drugs or alcohol. Understanding these negative triggers can help you avoid them and protect yourself against relapse. In addition, you'll need a plan in place to help you achieve long-term sobriety. These plans can include the following: participating in the 12-step program, attending therapy, joining a social group such as Alcoholics Anonymous or Narcotics Anonymous, living in a sober living home, making healthy life choices, and following your treatment plan. It's also important to find new activities and hobbies that you enjoy. This can help you stay sober by giving you something positive to focus on. Sobriety is essential to maintaining a healthy and happy life. It can help you build healthier relationships, improve your career, and increase your overall well-being. If, however, you do find yourself in the grip of addiction again, please reach out to Recovery Centers of America right away. We are an accredited drug rehab provider, and we're here for you 24/7. Please call us now. We're rooting for you.